Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Pair the Magic Remote, ensure the TV is online, and update WebOS so voice features are current. Once done, press Settings, go to All Settings General, and open the Voice or Voice Recognition menu. Make sure you accept any privacy or terms prompts. This step enables the voice engine. You do this now because voice search requires both a paired microphone and the TV's voice services to be enabled before the actual commands will work. Next, enable voice recognition and grant microphone permissions so the TV can process speech. Choose your language and regional settings to improve recognition accuracy. This matters because models use localized speech packs. Then press the remote's mic button and speak a clear command like Open YouTube to confirm detection. If prompts ask to improve recognition, allow diagnostic data so accuracy improves. Take this time to set any app-specific voice options if the TV asks, which finally validate voice search by trying different queries. App names, show titles, or setting changes, this confirms end-to-end function. If responses are slow or fail, reboot the TV and repair the remote. Many issues stem from pairing or network drops. Make sure firmware is current and microphone access remains allowed. One key troubleshooting tip. If nothing works, factory reset voice settings in General Voice and re-enable them after a reboot. That usually clears persistent recognition errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.